In this video, I'll show you how to do multi-view 2 drawing. So start with the sketch. Let's start from the front plane. And then let's draw a rectangle. Start from the origin and pull out to the right. And for your dimension, type 8 and then 5. And zoom out, center your work. And now let's create a center diameter circle. Move your mouse along this line until you see that symbol, which means we are at the center or the midpoint of this line. Click and then drag out. And then let's dimension the circle. The circle should be 6. Okay, or the radius is 3. So finish your sketch. Click on that house and then press pull. Drag out to 5. And we're done with our isometric figure. Just like before, click File, New Drawing to create a new drawing from Design. Let's name this Multiview 2. And then on the right, it would say Contents Full Assembly from Scratch, ASME Standard Inches. And then for sheet size, let's choose A, 8 by 5 by 11. Let's click OK. And then drop the first view, which is the base view, and this will be the front. If yours didn't show up, you have to click up here where it says base view and then click here, and then we'll keep it to 1/4 scale, 1:4. Okay, when done putting the base view, click on projected view, click on the parent view or the front view, move to your right and drop the side view, and then move up above the front view to drop the top view, and then move diagonally to place the isometric drawing. Press escape when done, and then now you'll see your drawing with the top, front, and then side view, and then an isometric view with the hidden lines showing. Go save your work. So hit save and then type multi-view 2 drawing. That should be enough, and then hit save.